Good evening. A video message for Tommy. Tommy, hi. Thank you for buying my gorgeous Jonsered 49 SP collector's item. She's absolutely beautiful, she is. I hope you love this saw as much as I have. So she hasn't been started for, I'm not sure, 2 or 3 weeks. So, but she's been cleaned. So I'll show you how she starts before I put her in the box and pack her up. Kill switch, throttle lock, bit of choke, Many thanks, Tommy. She's a beautiful saw, and I hope, if you're collecting saws, I hope this is a wonderful addition for you. She's a really beautiful, beautiful example of the 49 SP. Many thanks again. Bye for now, sir.